Hello, MAPS community. It's James Shaw. I trust you're doing well. I'm so proud of you for investing in yourself to grow and get better in this really interesting and fascinating market. As I talk to agents all over the country, here's what they tell me. There's three areas where they could use help. Number one, what's going on up here? This is a challenging time. You're working to navigate multiple offers. You're working with buyers who are losing out on deals and having to walk them through the process. And you're busier than you've ever been. We're getting a little beat up mentally. I'm hearing that from people all over the place. The other thing they're saying is, James, I got to take more listings because whenever I take a listing, I sell a listing. So I've got to be able to take more of them so I can feed that part of my business. And then the third thing they're saying is, can we get some things under contract? Can I help my buyers win more of these deals and get things under contract? And so with that in mind, that's why MAPS created the new Bold Local program. Now, we labbed it at the beginning of the year, and we've had two other launches. We launched in March and we launched in June. And what it is, I want you to think of regular Bold in the room, and it's not in the room. It's a digital version of Bold, except the results are better than what you find in the room, and you get to do it in half the time. The next one starts in August, and here's what's happening. Agents are on average scheduling one additional listing appointment a week. Imagine scheduling one additional listing appointment a week, how that would transform your business. They're getting 10 contracts over that 6-week period, 10 contracts. Imagine adding 10 contracts to what you're already doing. And what they're saying they like the best is that chance to lift the mindset, get the mindset pointed in the right direction. If Bold Local is something you think you'd be interested in, you got to reach out to your local leadership and say, can we please have it? Can I have it? Can I have it in August? Because that's the next one. The cool part about it is that it's 3 hours instead of 8. It's 6 weeks instead of 7, and it's $3.99 instead of $7.99. Now, I want you to think about that. If you can get an equal or better result from what you were getting in the room, and you can get it in half the amount of time for half as much money, wouldn't you jump on that? So I suggest reach out to your local leadership, let them know you want a Bold Local. The next opportunity is August, and let's get that mindset up, get our listing appointments up, and raise our contracts. Congratulations on all you're doing in this market, and we will see you at Bold Local.